Hi, my name is Jack Karen from SkipperBud's, and I'd like to take a few minutes of your time and go through this 2016 55-foot Azimut. In the stern of the boat, as you can see, we have the platform down and then the place for a tender in the stern. This comes back up and forms the stern of the boat. As you can see, the aft cockpit has abundant space. A large table that drops down with a pad that goes over the top, wraparound seating, and then the access to the engine room is through here. There's a backup station on the starboard side of the boat with thruster. Grill underneath here, ice maker. Once inside the sliding glass doors, you have large seating. A wraparound couch. This electronically goes up and down so you can also face forward. Storage on the port side underneath there. And then a large galley. Underneath here you have a sink. And then here you have a 2-burner stove with a refrigerator, freezer, and then the television lifts up from this section. The helm is exactly what a captain would like. We've got dueling Raymarine screens. We have our throttles and shifts here. It's got a joystick with dynamic positioning, autopilot, engine diagnostics, and everything you need to be able to move this boat properly. The master stateroom boasts a walk-around bed, windows on both sides, a large flat-screen television. This cute little seating area also turns into a vanity with a chair here and a mirror over here. As to be expected, the owner's master head has a separate shower, a sink, and a vacuum flush head. The VIP suite boasts another walk-around bed, lighting up on the top, a television, and an entrance to the guest's head and shower. And everybody's favorite third stateroom boasts 2 side-by-side beds. And the guest stateroom and the VIP stateroom share this head with the shower and a sink also. The bow is extraordinary with a large swim pad here and an actual seating area so somebody of some age can sit here comfortably without laying flat. We've got a fusion stereo system up here and drink holders on both sides. In closing, again, this is Jack Karen with SkipperBud's at North Point Marina. A couple items that we didn't see in the video. Its boat has a seakeeper, which is a popular thing, and it also has a cruise quarters in the bow of the boat. I'd like to thank you very much for going on the tour, and congratulations on your new boat.